National People's Party hakasining kong kararai ban pynkhreh no sha ke election MP hakari bat ru nakam ta ka election MLA ga balong ha Mizoram hin karai ke NPP kala shem ha National Committee meeting jong ke NPP ke balong ha Constitution Club ke India hanang ba Delhi han ke jalan papnya daun National President ke NPP Konrad Sangma kidkhat ke National Committee ke bawan ban shimata ke kentop nadu Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Gujarat bat Uttar Pradesh hai ke jalan ki wipat ke jalan ke ai ke phar ka bedai ba ka pynkhreh ke election Lok Sabha ka masalong shen kam juru na kam tak election MLA ka masalong ha pa Mizoram ke lang National President abakan kan sngi ul angru ba ka party ka pynkhreh ru ban sai katong hakaling ke jala ki masalong election MLA ba kam juru wa ka election MP kan ke juga sngi da pun ko borom ru ye ke MLA ka job nak thamai na pa pynkhreh Manipur ba kam juru na Nagaland kapati ka simru ya karai ka beli baka jilang cuman Manipur hakaba ka liang jong kona sama lopen pau baka seng ke nyale tingi ban rapat sisien ka jingsuk song san hakani ka jela ka bala ki phalo bat ka bala mi ka jeng ya priyo hakani kisni ki beradab kan ka juk ka jelang la thongri I Dr. Amprin Lengdo man long ka in charge jong ka jela Mizoram nam ta ka election na po ka ka jela kam juru I wedi ke mele ban pet ka jela na ka ka ya ka
election or the recent election that was held in Meghalaya and in the state of Nagaland and the previous year which was held in Manipur. As you're aware, the National People's Party is one of the 6 nationally recognized national parties in the country. The National People's Party is also the only national party from the region of the northeast part of India. It is also one of the only parties which is made up of the states which are from the northeast India. The National People's Party has been a party which was started by late P.S. Sangmaji, and based on his ideologies and his vision, we have moved the party forward, and today with his guidance and his blessings, we have achieved the goal of becoming a national party in the country today. The National People's Party has always worked for the overall benefit and the overall upliftment of indigenous people in the state and in the country. That we are able to bring back peace in Manipur, and we've also resolved that as a political party we will do whatever possible from our side to help in ensuring that peace comes back and also help in the overall humanitarian works that are going on in terms of all the difficulties that people are facing. Our party leaders and our workers are working tirelessly to ensure that we are able to help and support the people of Manipur in these difficult times.